Hey guys, this is Martin Samarat, body language expert. I'm very happy to have you here. I'm super excited about that. I want to warm welcome you in the How to Make People Like You online course. I will be here for next week, and each day I will tell you something about one part of art, how to make people like you. I'm gonna tell you what to pay attention to, what to observe, and I will tell you how to make your body language better to attract more people, to get credits from people, to be more valuable member of conversation, how to be more liked. But at the beginning, let me tell you a bit about myself. I live in Prague in Czech Republic and I come from Czech Republic, but I want to move to London next year, so this is where I live. Some of my hobbies are I train martial arts, I do Wing Chun and Eskrima. I love training at the gym, even outside of the bars. I mean, like muscle ups, handstands, street workouts, stuff like that. I really enjoy that when I am not reading people outside. Yeah, this is all about my hobbies. I love reading. I enjoy talking philosophy stuff. I enjoy talking about theology. I'm also Christian, so this is something you to know about me. And about me and studying body language, I'm studying body language. I have been studying body language for like 5, 6 years now. And I started when I realized that body is powerful communicator and it tells a lot. It can tell even things that the people actually don't want to tell. And when I realized that, I said to myself that I want to know, read the body language. I want to know how to recognize those subtle messages that body sends. And that was the moment when I started to study body language. I started to learn about that, and I started to practice observing and getting those subtle messages from people I see all around me. So I got 5 topics I want to go through during this week. I will talk about 5 different aspects of how to make people like you, and at the end, in the last day, I will put everything together and create huge picture that will definitely make sense to you. So in the first topic, I want to talk about the convenient body language in a conversation, because there are several rules that are good to follow in a people interaction. You can send a negative signs with the body language that are going to repel people. So in this topic, I will tell you what signs produce when you are going to talk to people to make them more like you. And on the other day, I will point out that we like things that are similar to us, and I will tell you how to take advantage of this fact. We like things that are similar to us, and we can use that as our advantage. And that topic will be about matching and mirroring. And on the fourth day of a course, I would like to talk about facial expressions. I would like to point out that face is very important in a conversation because it is the first place where we look at when we meet someone. And the other topic is dominance and submissiveness. On this day, I will talk about how important it is to have a self-confidence and how to use the fact that people want to talk about themselves, as you are said. And the last and very important topic will be about first impressions. I will tell you how important it is to create the best possible first impression and how smile can change everything. So those are the 5 topics I'm gonna talk about in this course. In each section, I'm going to tell you what is good to do and how to practice that, how to get better in that. And at the end, we all will be able to make people like us much more. So we will start tomorrow with a convenient body language where I'm going to tell you, for example, where to put your head or what to do with your hands in a conversation. I hope you're looking forward to that, and see you tomorrow with the first video. Bye.